Hi guys, today we will talk about how to access Safety Center on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this shots or this message, then it's going to take you to next window here or shots window, and you just click to any shots you want. You just click here on the shots for example, then it's going to take us here and you go up, you will click here on up, then it's going to show for us window like this, and you click here on access safety center, you will click here and it's going to add video on your Tinder app. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. So when you click, it's going to show for you like this in here, so you can here control a safety center here on your Tinder app. So I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.